Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Doc Mountain. In this video I'll be showing you how you can actually control placement of ads on your video on YouTube as a YouTuber. So let's take a ride. So what you do is you log on to your channel. Just wait for it, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, so once you are in, this is what you will need to do. You need to access your videos by clicking in the top right. You see here, I know everything looks blurred because everything is still loading. You click here so that you happen to get to your YouTube studio, and that's where you'll be able to see all your videos pretty well. Okay. All right, so you click your pic there so that this panel loads, and then you click YouTube Studio. So now this can only be done if you've already uploaded the video and it has been approved by YouTube. It has been checked for copyright issues and it's been cleared, and there's a green light that you can go ahead and post this video. Okay, it's worth being monetized, and your channel has been monetized. So you click let me scroll up, content, and then after clicking content, you check for the video that you'd want to work on. So I wanna control the placement of ads on this one here. So I click the pencil icon. Okay, so that it happens to be in editing mode. So it seems like network is pretty bad, so YouTube Studio isn't responding as of now. It's loading finally. Okay, so here we are. Here we can add other features or other details, but my focus is, adding ads in different parts of the video. So you click monetization here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so check out, I had already activated monetization. So what I need to do next is click here where it reads review placement, and then you can check. So here there are only two parts where ads have been placed, and this would limit how much you're making on YouTube. So you can maximize the points at which you have placed those ads. So I'm gonna click here where it reads ad break. So you see, just right at the beginning of the video, an ad will be run, and ads are the ones that generate revenue for you. So, and then I'm gonna push this one further to the right there, and then where I erased this pointer, the marker, I'm gonna now place an ad there. Click ad break. So there I have it. I can as well push it to the far right there, add another ad. The more ads you have running on your video, the more money you make on YouTube. Okay, so that's how we do it. Let me shift to this one so that I have another break here. Here we go. So we have that. Now after you are done, you need to click here on top so that you save your settings. You click continue, and then you hit save here. So I will have ads in those points that you had actually seen me placing ads, and that will maximize how much you'll be earning anytime people are clicking my video and they're watching my video, because those ads will be popping up, and as long as people are watching the ads, I'll be earning. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Don't forget to share, to like, and leave a comment in the comment section.